Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Edwards, this is Trent Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. I know you guys are all the way up in Georgia, so I went and put my hands on the vehicle that you called in about. This is the 2018 GLE that you saw on the website. What I'm going to do is turn this camera around real quick to give you a little closer look at the vehicle itself, okay? And this is the 2018 GLE. It has got the 5-spoke chrome alloy wheels. It's got the running boards on this vehicle. It's got the black MBTEX interior, power seats on both driver and passenger side. I do believe this vehicle has the navigation as well as Bluetooth and all your other media resources there. It's going to have tons of seating in the back seat, automatic multi-zone climate control. You have multiple drive modes as well between comfort, sport, slippery. Um, these vehicles have always done well for us. They're manufactured right here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, about 45 minutes from our dealership. And it's one of the ultimate family haulers. I mean, it's a great looking vehicle. As you can see, this is the polar white. It's got the dual chrome exhaust in the back. Got your power lift gates, of course. And the second row behind that, you got a ton of room. I know it's dark in there, you can't really see, but got a lot of room in that second row. LED brake lights, of course. Got your high intensity halogen headlamps on it as well. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for calling in again. We are located here in Birmingham, Alabama. We're Alabama's leading luxury retailer. My name is Trent Tate. You can contact me direct at 205-504-2358. And if I can make you one guarantee when you deal with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham and myself, expect excellence.